Hey everybody, this is a transceiver from a General Motors product, specifically a Buick Lucerne. My father has a Buick Lucerne, and if I wanted to, I could basically take his off of his car and take this one and swap it. And I would only have to change one device from his vehicle to this one. And then it would be the perfect donor. But for purposes of video only, this will not happen. I'm just going to show this little doodad and what you can do with it. So the cover comes off easy enough. And this is the EEPROM right here that we want to focus on. And what you want to first notice is its orientation. This is its orientation. Right here is the #1 pin. There's a few ways you can tell this, and I'll show you. Often, the #1 pin will be marked with a dot. See, this one over here is marked with a dot, so that indicates that this is pin 1 right here on this particular device. But ours is not marked with a dot, but the font and the writing is oriented in this way, so that it must be held this way to read it. The logo is oriented the same way, ST, and focus now. So that's one way, is to orient the font so that you can read it, and then that would be your pin 1 over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, if you look at the shape of the chip, one side is tapered and the other is not. See that the left side is at an angle, it's sloped, and the the back side is square. Sorry, I'm moving so much. That's another way to tell. And I learned that from my friend. So that's pretty cool. So that's 3 ways. 1 by dot, 1 by font, 1 by taper. 3 ways to identify. And the 4th way would be that we could look at if it had writing on it. Then pin 1 would be indicated like this on some detail on the board. But anyway, what I'm going to do is just get this guy right here. I'm going to load up my computer. Alright, so it's loading. I'm going to set my EEPROM right here. Plug it in. Alright. I'm going to get my 8-leg EEPROM reader. This little guy right here. Little clip. You see pin 1 on this guy is pink, and so you just orient it with pin 1 at the top and secure it, and then you want to mate pin 1 with pin 1 of the EEPROM, which we've already established what that is. But first, what I'm going to do is just take a abrasive, go over the legs so that hopefully I can get a good contact between the clip and my device. Okay, so pin 1. Make sure it's clipped on there real well. Alright, let's hope that's good. Okay, now we are going to go to EEPROM, and I'm going to open it up. Nobody hack my computer, please. Okay, we're going to go to EEPROM. The brand was ST, and where's it at? It was an M9, oops, sorry, 9040, I believe. We'll try that. Attempting to read it. See what it says down here. Not a good connection. Not a good connection, it says. Yes, we got it. Now you can see that it pulled info, it pulled the bin file. These are bytes. And so we are gonna save. Practice EEPROM. Save. Okay. And so now we can reduce that. Reduce that. And what I want to see is if VVDI 2 will write to this guy. So I'll move this out of the way. Plug this in. VVDI. We're going to go to the Tango functions. Listen for the beep. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. Be this one right here. I'll be right back. I forgot to grab my transponders. I'll literally be a few seconds. Okay, I'll just hold ass to my van, and I'm gonna grab a blank Phillips 46. This guy right here. We're gonna put it right there. Whew. Okay. Now into there. Okay. We'll do oh fuck. Where'd you go? There you are. Open. Oh, look at that. So, it's showing that this only had 2 spaces used, and we can do key 3, or else we can overwrite key 1, and this is the transponder it calls for, which is what we have in our programmer. So let's give it a go. Okay. Now it wants us to immediately save it. We're going to do drop, but we're going to do 2. So save. Alright. Now here we go. We're going to get out of here. Yes. Close. Alright. App is not wanting to open for some reason. Perhaps it's already opened. There it is. Duh. Pardon me, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna verify this chip to make sure it's still connected. And it is. Still verified. Okay, so we're gonna write no. Open. Second one, open. Okay, and now we're gonna write. Continue to write. Yes. Verify. All right. And so there it is. Now, this transponder should start the car as soon as you put the key together. See, it's no longer a blank anything. It's a crypto 46 now. This key has been programmed. That is pretty cool. And I'll show you, there it is right there, but in my bin, these are the crypto blanks that I have, and I will show you that it will even distinguish the difference between a programmed and a non-programmed blank. So, from what I can seize, we have mission success. We have used prog to pull the original bin file off of the 8-banger EEPROM, and we then transferred it through the magic of computer science to this guy. It's been a pain in my ass for a while, but it's working finally. So this turned into the programmer. Tango is what it is. And so we wrote a blank crypto. Well, we wrote a blank Phillips 46 into a blank crypto, and then wrote that blank crypto into the bin file. Now we had to transfer that back to prog and then back into the chip, or the device, I should say. So now the new bin file is in the device, and now this device will recognize this transponder as a working key. So pretty cool shit. And obviously my mind's everywhere in this video, and I apologize if I'm not too clear on it, but I will keep making more content, and over time, if you stick with me, you'll get to feel my my way. But I think I may continue this further. So now I want to do another verify real quick. We're gonna save. Okay. And now what I want to do is I'm gonna disconnect prog again, and I'm gonna plug in VVDI2. Alright, so let's see what we got here. VVDI2. We're gonna open up the Tango. There's that sound. And I'm gonna auto detect transponder real quick. It shows that it's locked, which is good. We're gonna load 2 right here. Boop. Don't you dare rename it. Open. Oh, duh, I forgot to, silly me. Now you see key number 3 is in the system. Yes! And we have the transponder right here. And so, yeah, this is totally gonna start the car now. Pretty wicked. So now if we wanted to write in another key, we could. Pretty cool. I'm digging it, man. It's very awesome. Alright. Well, that's where I'm going to end it. Job done. Thanks for watching. Oh, just real quick. Say you have a customer who was an idiot, or perhaps a villain or criminal came by at night and tried to steal somebody's vehicle, and they completely slaughtered this. I mean, they like this antenna, they just destroyed it. They cut this, it's broken. But if this guy is intact, this little 8-leg EEPROM, you can order an antenna ring. You know, there's like 2 or 3 of these, and they're pretty interchangeable. But if you order this antenna ring and desolder that EEPROM, desolder the EEPROM that comes on your replacement, and swap them, plug this back in, and it should work, so long as you have your original keys and stuff. Just so you know.